Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 26th, 2022. Pinterest stockholders should be worried. Should they really be worried if they're holding this stock? I mean, obviously the answer is yes. Keep it real. You guys can see the price in Pinterest have gone exceedingly lower than what many analysts have predicted. Like, many of these analysts were looking for this stock to go up, and instead it's been going the opposite direction. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can see it right now in front of you. I did a price prediction in Pinterest telling you all that price was going to go down. So if you saw my video then you should not be surprised to see where price is traded at now. If you guys want to learn more, go ahead and join the team. I show you all on all of my videos of how you can do this on your own. And at the end of the videos, leave a comment and try it yourself. Just look at the price chart. Don't add anything to it. No technical indicators. Don't try to go out and do fundamental analysis because it does not determine what is going to be the price move. Hit the like button. Share the video and also join the team by subscribing to my channel. All right. So now before I get started on my newest price target for Pinterest, I want you all to look at what happened recently. I did a video on November the 5th. Right here. And I told you all then to be prepared for the price in Pinterest to go down. Here we are today, May the 26th, 2022. You guys can see it. It's simple. I don't want you all to get you to think that pricing and looking for price predictions is something that can't be done, because it can. And I've been showing you all for a while now on this channel. All of my documentation is still in a playlist. All right. So you guys can see from November the 5th all the way to January the 6th, we got that 26, almost 27% out the market. Simple. Next, if I were to get out on the last trade of yesterday, we're around 57%. Simple. Okay, that's the result. Now, let's get back to it. Let's see. Because now I could take this horizontal line right here, and we can utilize it to try to determine where the buyers are at. You guys can see that this is nothing new. We've seen the market in Pinterest trade right there around $16 here on May of 2020. And these guys want you to hold the stock for the conceivable future, the long term, right? These YouTubers, financial analysts want you to hold these stocks for like 15,000 years. And hopefully you'll be alive in the next 15,000 years to recoup the profitability of what they told you all to do, just to sit on a stock, just to buy it and sit and wait. So hopefully those who expect to be alive in the next 2,000 years, hopefully you all will reap massive benefits from what these YouTubers have been telling you all what you needed to do. Hold for the long term. That's what they've been telling us, right? Okay. Imagine the people who bought Pinterest back in May of 2020. Look at this. In 2 years, price in Pinterest went all the way up here to 87, almost 80. Well, let's be accurate. $90. Look at that, $90. So your profitability, if you would have came and bought here in May of 2020, all the way up here to 90, was 456%. 456%. All of that's been wiped away in less than 2 years. So what's the point of holding the stock for 5 years again? Oh, you're expecting the market to go right back up another 456%? Okay. I want you all to show me a market that does that. That goes up 450%, reclaims all of that profitability, and you start at zero. And then the market goes up another 456% in 5 years, right? Because you got to consider the 5-year period started back in May of 2020. So now you got 3 years to see the market in Pinterest go back up another 456%. 3. So let's get back to it. Okay, because we want to know if we hit the bottom in Pinterest. And one way that we can tell is always by looking at the volume. The volume tells us where the market finds attractive in terms of buying and selling. Okay. And what happened right here? could be the beginning stages of the market participants finding the price in Pinterest attractive, and they came in and bought it. Okay, they came in and bought it. Now, it doesn't mean that we need to rush in and buy right along with them. We need to see follow through, meaning price has to stay elevated. Okay, because the same thing happened in the market in Pinterest during this time frame, albeit the volume is not exceedingly high. But look at all this high volume though on earnings, and the reaction was simply trading sideways. The market did not go up following all this volume. We wanted to see the market do this, but instead it did this, continue its downtrend. So all of this volume right here wasn't buying, because if it was buyers, if it was demand, if people wanted to buy the stock in Pinterest then yeah, price would have gone up, but it didn't. So we need to see the same thing now. We got the volume. Okay, so now the next thing we need to see is for us to get the lift. The market would tell us if they find the price attractive. They cannot hide what their intentions are. If the market does not go up and it doesn't maintain its elevation, and we begin to see this, or we begin to see this, the market's not ready to go up yet. We're still in a phase of people selling out of their positions. That is what's going on. Now, if we continue to hold this area, right, if we continue to just trade sideways, then that could be another period of us noticing buyers coming in and accumulating more of this stock. If we just see it trade sideways and maintain $16. Okay. Now, do we need to come in and play with the stock right now? Because so far, yeah, we're getting some buyers come into the market in Pinterest. This is us looking at the market on 2 days. And you guys can see with all of this high volume, we're definitely seeing the emphasis of the market in Pinterest trying to come through. But take a look. We got the same amount of volume here. We got the up bar to where the market closed higher, but we didn't get the follow through. Same thing here. We got the market trying to close higher. We got the buyers trying to lift price, but only in the end, the price still comes down. We still come down. So we got to be a little bit cautious. I don't want you all to think that we need to go all in on this market, because the market is not giving us that information. When I look at this on a 3-day chart, look at that. I still see price in Pinterest as being weak on a 3-day perspective, looking at that last completed 3-day price bar. Okay, so it doesn't mean that price won't go up, but what it tells me is that the environment in Pinterest is still weaker than us seeing buyers come in. We can see the market in Pinterest go to 20, maybe 22.50. Yeah, this is one of those places where you grab it now, let it go to 22.50, and you get out. Right? Look at this on the 5-day, weekly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, okay, 5 weeks, monthly. So now the ball is in your court. What are you going to do with it? Where are you looking for the price in Pinterest to go? Up, down, sideways, anywhere, nowhere? What is your expectation? Okay. Let me see something real quick. Because yes, we're in the market on a minute time frame. We can definitely see price in Pinterest go up. Maybe to $20, $21 in Pinterest. But from a daily perspective, I mean, nothing has changed. We're still in a downtrend. And the next opportunity for us to really collapse and break down in Pinterest would be right here, August the 5th, 2022, when we have earnings, expected earnings release to be then. Okay, so as of right now, the prediction is for me not to do anything. One thing I wanted you all to understand and also notice that there's times to where you know you need to come in and act. And then there's other times where you just need to kick back and don't deploy any resources to the market. The prediction is for us to see the market and Pinterest do this, I'm looking for the market to start this. Okay. I'm not being tricked into thinking that the market is a buy right now. No, because look at the downtrend. So if I see the market even try to go up in price, okay, cool. We can hold the stock. We can come in and buy the stock, but only to maybe $20 to like $22.50. That's it. Don't expect the market to rocket up to $50 or $40 right now. We're not in that environment. This overall environment is definitely one of bearishness. So that's the price prediction. I'm not going to put one on today. Once I continue to see the market hint and show me that buyers are still here, then that's when we'll know. We'll come in and drop a price prediction expecting the price to go up. I want to teach you all and show you that everything is not a playable market. Everything is not always a buy. Sometimes you just need to chill out or go find another opportunity somewhere else, because there's always an opportunity. You just got to go find it. All right, so let me know, what do you all think? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.